Are you tired of losing money and time on failed products? Do you want a way to easily find winning products and earn thousands of dollars from e-commerce? You are in the right place. All of this is possible through fastmoss. Why fastmoss specifically? Because it's the ultimate tool for TikTok shop creators and affiliate marketers who want to boost their earnings quickly and efficiently. fastmoss helps you discover trending, high-converting products using real-time data on views, sales, commissions, and conversion rates. Its user-friendly dashboard allows you to analyze top-performing sellers and influencers, generate affiliate links automatically, and track your income with ease. What makes fastmoss special is its speed, accuracy, and smart automation, saving you time and giving you a clear competitive edge. If you're serious about growing your TikTok shop income, fastmoss is the platform to choose. When creating an account and logging into the site, you will find its interface like this. And here you will find many features, such as find lives, find products, find shops, find creators, and also AI creation, which is a new feature. The great thing about the site is that it is always updated, and you will always find it introducing new features that help you earn more money easily. I think if you are a seller on TikTok especially, it will be the best site ever for you to find winning products. Even if you are not selling on TikTok and are selling on Shopify or any other platform, it will also help you find a winning product. There is a great new feature that allows you to get a general idea about the market, which is Market 360. In it, you will find the market growth rate over a specific time period that you can choose, and it will also give you an overview of the market, enabling you to understand the performance of the market during a certain period. In the category data, you will find more detailed information on all categories, including the best-selling categories, market size for each category, and other important information that you can discover and benefit from. There is a dedicated section for finding the winning product, and the first feature here is Product Search. You can search for any product you want, in case you have seen a product and want to know its performance and profits. If you want to search without a prior idea, that is also possible. The site will provide you with several options for searching and will give you all the information you may need regarding the product you chose, including the number of units sold, the profits generated by the product, and how many sales were made through affiliate marketing, in case you are a seller using TikTok Shop Affiliate. Here I will search for one of the products, and as an example, as you can see, it has given me the product I want and also similar products, all with their specific data, as I mentioned, even if they are not sold on TikTok. The site helps you find a winning product, and you will also be aware of the product's performance and the expected profits. Now we will talk about another feature, which is top selling. Here we will find the best-selling products with a comprehensive analysis of their performance, also divided by categories, where you can choose the category you want and search for products related to that specific category. In general, you will find hundreds of products to choose from, and if you like a certain product, you can add it to your favorites list to return to it later. I will choose this product as an example, and as you can see, the site will provide you with all the information about the product, including sales, profits, its category, title, and some images of it, as well as an overview of the product's performance and development, and the source of the content through which it was sold. There is something that distinguishes this site and truly amazed me, which is that it provides you with all the videos related to that product, allowing you to avoid wasting time searching for promotional videos and simply use the videos you found. As you can see, I will choose this video as an example, and here you will find the video player. You can also watch it on TikTok by clicking on it, and you can easily download the video for your use. There is also another feature called New Listed, where you will find hundreds of newly added winning products that you can also sell and make very large profits. You will also find that each product contains its own analysis and information, as I mentioned earlier. Additionally, it will give you the commission rate in case you want to promote the product and earn through TikTok Shop Affiliate. If you specialize in a certain category, you can choose it and search for related products. For example, if we search in the beauty category, we will find products all related to beauty and care. And if we search in the health field, we will only find products related to health. There is also a new feature that will help you a lot, which is TikTok Video Smart Slice. It allows you to cut TikTok videos using artificial intelligence, helping you obtain high-quality clips quickly. Its operation is simple. You place the link of the video, and the site will cut the video into clips from which you can choose what you want and download it easily. There are 3 main memberships: Basic, Pro, and Ultimate. You can view each membership and learn about its features to choose from. You will also receive a 20% discount when you choose semi-annual payment and a 30% discount when you choose annual payment. Additionally, specifically for you, when you register through the link below the video, you will receive a free basic membership for 15 days. That was all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive updates.